Use the Robbinsville High School Media Center catalog to browse for books, eBooks, and audiobooks online. You can also place holds on books for pickup either from the Media Center or curbside if you're a virtual learner. Also keep track of your current holds and checkouts via our online catalog. To access our online catalog, you can go to the Robbinsville High School website and then go to Academics and Media Center to be taken to our Media Center webpage. Notice here that there are a few quick links for you on this landing page. You can immediately click on Online Catalog, or alternatively, you can click on Online Catalog in the sidebar menu. Our online catalog is also known as Destiny Discover. Here is where you will be able to browse for books and place holds on them at any time you'd like. Notice here that you can place a hold and you'll be notified when it's ready for pickup. If you're a virtual learner, you may pick up curbside at the school. There's also a link to go back to the Media Center website for more research help, guides, tutorials, and database access. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me, Ms. Policastro, at my email listed here. On our homepage, you'll notice that you can quickly browse through recently added books. You can browse by topic, view popular titles, access ebooks, and browse through our collections and audiobooks. Our collections are collections of books based on various themes. There are a ton of themes listed, and it's a great place to start if you don't know exactly the book you'd like to read. For example, if you know you're interested in a BIPOC text, you can select that collection and browse through titles that fit that theme. Once you find a title you're interested in, all you have to do is click on it. You can read the description and be prompted to log in to place a hold on this book. Notice on this page that you can also get a share link if you needed to share this title with someone else. You can generate a citation if you're writing a paper for one of your classes, and you can also look through the more information on the bottom, such as reviews, or you can post a review as a student. You can explore subject tags aligned with this title. You can see how many copies we have in the Media Center, and even see awards that this book has won. In the right-hand column, you'll also be able to see suggested titles based on this book. Notice as well that currently this book is out, meaning it has checked out by another student. You can still place a hold on this book, however, your wait time may be longer because that book will only be accessible once it is returned. You can also search for a book by keyword at the top. If I wanted to search for Hamlet, I can type in Hamlet and my results will be generated. I like to go to the filter menu and select the format of book I'd like. Say, in this instance, I would like a physical book. I will click Book, and now I'm only given hard copies of books we have in the Media Center. If I'd like to check out this first one, I will click on it. I will log in by signing in with Google, select my Rville Schools account, and now I have the ability to place a hold on this book. To view your current holds, all you need to do is select the menu in the top left corner, and you can select Holds to view available holds. This currently says Hold Ready. That is because it is automatically generated by the website. You will receive an email from me, Ms. Policastro, personally, letting you know information about when your book is ready to pick up and from where you will pick your book up. If I see on Genesis you are a virtual learner, I will say that you can pick your book up from the front entrance of the school. If I see you are an in-person learner, I will request that you pick your book up directly from the Media Center. Additionally, in the menu, you can also view your finds and current checkouts. Notice here that I have 3 books currently checked out. This is a good way for you to keep track of books you've checked out and stay on top of your due dates. Another feature of Destiny is you can favorite books. For example, if I would like to favorite this book, Scars Like Wings, I will click on it and I will select the favorite button. This is also good to keep track of books you would like to put on a to-read list, or even keep track of books that you have read in the past. To view your favorited books, you will go to the main menu and you will click on Favorites. You can also generate citations for the titles in your favorite list. Another way to use the favorites is to favorite books you check out for research papers, and you can quickly generate a citation for each of those books you've checked out. So those are the basics of how to use our online catalog, Destiny Discover. Please remember that this is a great way to browse for new titles. Just a reminder, you can browse for titles using our various collections, and we have a ton of them here for you. You can also browse just by selecting the topic from the topic's quick key menu here as well. Again, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me at paulacastro.gina@robbinsville.k12.nj.us. Happy reading!